What's up guys? It's your girl Fiola and we are back with another vlog and I'm here with
Hi, it's Andre
and Zayn.
Yay! So we're going to a Christmas market tonight and you are gonna come with us. Come along, come along.
Tried to take an Instagram photo here with Zayn, but it wasn't gonna happen.
So they had train rides and the carousel here that we're on. They had many activities up and about the place, but we did mostly this one. And this is me and Zayn dancing. He loves to dance. OMG. Guys, they had food, they had different vendors, but my favorite thing was the lights. Yay!